Do you want to know how you can log into your Ultipro Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ultipro Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar to search for Ultipro Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Ultipro, which is by UKG. Now you can see that there is an interface where you can see that you can write down your company access code. So go ahead and write down your company access code in this box. Make sure that your code is correct, otherwise you cannot log into your account. After you've written down your code, click next. Then a password section will pop up. Go ahead and write down your personal password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Ultipro by UKG Payroll. So guys, let me teach it to you once again. Search for Ultipro Payroll Login, click on the first link. Then write down your company access code in this box over here, make sure it is correct and then click next. Then write down your password, check your password by clicking on the button which appears over here and then click sign in. You will successfully sign in to your Ultipro Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.